KenHigh Smart Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a professional packaging equipment company that provides design, manufacture, installation, and after-sale service for food, medicine, chemical hardware, and other industries. Since the establishment of our company, KenHigh has been focusing on attracting excellent talents, and we have strong technical team and sales team with professional business capabilities. Our company has great technical strength and comprehensive capabilities in research and development manufacture, installation, training, and after-sales service. Our equipment is widely used in puffed foods industry, snack foods industry, seasonings industry, nutritional products industry, beverages industry, dairy industry, quick frozen foods industry, pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, agricultural industry, hardware industry, etc. Our packaging machines are sold to more than 20 countries or regions such as United States, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Romania, Czech, Colombia, Mexico, Uzbekistan, India, Thailand, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Lebanon, Iraq, Syria, South Africa, Libya, Sudan, Egypt, etc. KenHigh always adhere to the business philosophy of technological innovation and honest service to contribute to the market with high-quality products and good services. And in the future, we will as always bring more and better packaging machinery to the global market to help our customers to create more values. Welcome customers and friends to visit and inspect the KenHigh.